Hi guys, here we are. Beautiful, beautiful day on the delivery trail. Of course, you know how we do it. Today, however, is a little bit special. We are changing the tone of the deliveries. Today I want to interview someone, the beautiful, the enigmatic, the driven Crystal Fletcher. Meet her with me.
Hey! What's up?
What's poppin'?
Good to see you again.
Of course, have your bag and pan.
Nice.
We know how you do it.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, today, this is Crystal Fletcher. We're gonna have a word with her. We are going to the blue chair. You know, we wanted to say black chair, but it's kind of black and blue. Just want to have a small
It's
chat
black
with
and
her.
blue.
It's black and blue. All right. So, have a seat right here, madam.
All right.
Chair actually comfortable, don't? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this water is yours. I don't know. Into
Oh,
water.
thank you.
Anyway, so let's start with, who is Crystal Fletcher though?
Oh, who am I? So I would say I'm a 26-year-old young lady who is driven. I am an actress. I hold a bachelor's in computer science. I am the founder of the Sunflower Girls Power Initiative, where mentorship is practiced and volunteerism. And then aside from that, I'm just a humble, cool individual.
You said you're an actress and you also have a bachelor's in IT.
Yeah.
That kind of, you know, two separate end of the spectrum, science,
Right.
arts, how you
I
mesh
don't know,
those
it's just
two.
a balance for me, and I've always wanted the best of both worlds, so I'm not scared to take on both of them. I've always liked IT, but I would say I do have a passion for acting.
Oh, you have a passion for acting. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I hope you don't act a fool.